Meeting classmates on the first day.
I will enjoy school.
Oh yes, it will be fun.
Good morning, children. Back to school. Come on. This is your classroom. Hello, everyone. Welcome to class, everyone. I am so happy to see you all today. I hope you are all happy today. Meet your new friends. Please take your seat, children.
Okay, teacher.
I like it here. Hi, I am Jenny. Do you like it here?
Yes.
Okay, children, settle down. Today we are going to learn about colors. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Wonderful! Let's start with the color red. Can you name something that is red?
An apple.
Very good. Apples can be red. What about yellow? A banana. Excellent. Bananas are yellow. Let's sing a song now.
Red, blue, yellow, green. Red like an apple, red like a cherry. Blue like the sky, blue like a berry. Colors, colors everywhere. Look around and see them there.
Okay, children, hope you enjoyed. Your next class is math.
Hello, children. I am your math teacher. Today, we will learn numbers and simple math. Are you excited? What is 2 times 2?
4.
Excellent! 2 times 2 equals 4. Now, it is lunchtime. Please go to the cafeteria and have your lunch.
Eat fast, friends. We have to go now. What class is next?
Next is science class. We learn about nature, plants, animals, the sun, and the earth.
Good morning, children. I am your science teacher.
Good morning,
teacher.
Science helps us understand nature and how things work. Let's have fun learning together.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
As you can see on the board, we have a sun and a tree. Today we are going to learn about how they help each other.
Plants need water, sunlight, air, and soil to grow healthy and strong. Children, you can go and play outside now.
Let's go and sit on the slide.
Okay.
I like your red ball.
Let's play.
Okay.
Children, break is over. Please get back to your class now.
We had fun today learning new things, sharing ideas, and enjoying our lessons together.
Ouch!
Goodbye!
Today was fun day.
Have a happy evening. See you again tomorrow. Bye. Hello, Mom.
Come, let's go.
Get in the car, children.
So, how was the day in school today?
It was great. I learned math, science, and colors, and I played with my friends too. Dad, I want to eat ice cream.
Okay.
I want that one.
Good.
You have to eat dinner after you reach home. You have school tomorrow, so you need a good night's sleep.
Mom, what are you cooking today?
Yes, Mom?
I am making pasta. After dinner, brush your teeth and go to sleep on time.
Okay, Mom.
Wake up fresh, active, and ready to learn new things in class.
Good night, dear.
Good night.